So, hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new question on the topic array, and the topic question is to check if an array is palindrome or not. Okay. So, firstly, we will need to know that what is a palindrome array. So, this is a question. Write a Java program to check whether the given array is a palindrome or not. So firstly, you need to know that what is a palindrome array. So a palindrome array is an array in which like the array is given as 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And if you reverse this array, like when we reverse this array, we will get 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And after this, you need to check that these numbers are same or not. 1 is 1, this is same, this is also same, this is also same on the indexes, like index 1 is 0 is same, index 1 is same, index 2, index 3, and similarly index 4 is also same. So hence this is called as a palindrome array. Okay. So the naive or a basic approach that a person can use is that you just need to create another array where you can store the reverse of this array, like the reverse of this array 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then you can check at each index these numbers are same or not. Okay, like 2, 3, then 3, then 2, then 2, then 1, then 1. So like this, if all these matches, then you can print palindrome, or if both these do not match, then you can print as not palindrome. Okay, so now we will see the optimized or a good approach. Like suppose this is an array like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we should not create an extra space. In this, but to check palindrome, we only check that this element should be equal to this element, and this element should be this element. The element at the index 1 must be equal to the element at index this, and element index this will be equal to element and index this. So we will traverse till half of the array and check the equality. If this is true, like till half of the array, we will check like the first element will be equal to the last element, and the second last element second, then the second element will be equal to the second last element, then the third element from the beginning will be equal to the third last element. If this is true, if this is true, then the array is palindrome. Otherwise, it is not. It is not palindrome. Okay. So now in this, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the element at the first index is not equal to the element at the last index. So hence this is not palindrome. And you can practice for other example, for other examples also this concept. Okay, like the mirror image concept, like the mirror image. Okay, okay, now we will write the code and tell you on the GFG platform. Okay, you can also practice, go and practice there. So be ready. So this is basically the question, and in this we have to return the boolean. Okay, in this we have to return the boolean type, yeah, true or false, whether the array is palindrome array or not. So now, like in this, we will run our we will run the till half of the length of the array divided by 2 I plus plus, and then we will check that the array at the index I, if not equal to array of index of arr dot length minus 1 minus I, then return false. If they are not equal, then return false. If all the test cases passes clearly, then return true. So basically in the code, we are checking the indexes like I would explain you. Like basically in the code, I am doing 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. Like I am traversing the loop till here. Okay. Int I equal to 0. I is less than a dot length semicolon I plus plus. Okay. Then I am checking if ARR I, sorry, ARR I is not equal to ARR dot length minus I minus yn. In the video, that how we reverse the array, I have taught this concept that how we use it. Then I have written false. So in this, I am checking that I and ARR dot length minus I minus 1. That firstly, I am checking the element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So firstly, I am running my loop till half. So it is till 6. So 6 divided by 2, 3. So I is less than 3. So my loop is running from 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So when my index is 0, then my array dot length is 6 minus 0 minus 1, that is 5. So my one of first part and this one of this this are checked. If they are not same, then it will return false. Okay. After that, when I is incremented and it goes 1, then 6 minus I my minus 1, then it will be 4. Then 2 of index 1 and 2 of index 4 are being checked in the if conditions. So but they are equal, so it will again move forward the counter until 3. Now the counter of I will be 2, then 6 minus 2 minus 1, it will be 3. So so at index 2 it will be checked, and index 3 the equality will be checked. So they are equal, so this if condition will not be executed, and the for loop will also terminate, and here we have returned true. So a true statement will be returned, and according to which this array is palindrome. So this is the concept behind the question, and now we will run our code on the platform. So the code that we have written, you can see it here, and then we'll compile it. Hence it is running correctly. So now we will submit our code. So hence it is running correctly. So you can practice it and see it again if you have not understood the video, and if you liked it, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, and comment also if you have not understood any part. I will try to explain in some by making some video. Okay, so please comment. Thank you.